Most people think their Best Buy gift card is broken when it stops working online. But here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, the card is perfectly fine. The issue usually comes from account settings, entry mistakes, or system glitches that can be fixed in minutes. In this video, you'll learn exactly why your Best Buy gift card is not working online in 2026, the real reasons behind it, and step-by-step fixes that actually solve the problem, so you can complete your purchase without stress. Let's get straight into it. First, understand how it works. A gift card from Best Buy is not like a normal payment method that always shows instantly. It must be correctly applied at checkout or stored in your account wallet. If anything breaks in that process, the system may reject it online even if the balance is valid. Now here's the biggest mistake people make. They enter the gift card at checkout too quickly without checking their login or payment settings. If you are signed into the wrong account or a guest checkout session, the system may not recognize your card at all. John ran into this issue where his card worked in-store but failed online because he was not fully logged in. So the first fix is simple, but powerful. Always sign in to the correct Best Buy account before entering your gift card. But here's where it gets interesting. One of the most common causes is incorrect code entry. Even one wrong character can break the process. People often confuse 0 with the letter O or miss a digit while copying. The system does not correct it. It just rejects the payment. So re-enter the code slowly and carefully. If you are using a digital card, copy and paste it without extra spaces. Now here's another issue most people ignore. Browser or app glitches. If your session is outdated or cached incorrectly, the gift card may not apply. Jake experienced this where his card showed as invalid on Chrome, but worked instantly on the mobile app. So if it fails, switch devices or use incognito mode. This removes hidden session errors that often block online redemption. Now here's where it gets interesting again. Region mismatch can also cause failure. If your account country does not match your gift card region, the system may block it silently during checkout. You won't always get a clear error message. So always double-check your account region settings before trying again. But here's the problem. Even if everything is correct, the system can still lag. During high traffic periods or sales events, Best Buy servers can delay gift card processing. In that case, waiting 10 to 20 minutes and retrying often fixes the issue automatically. Now let's cover a checkout mistake many users miss. You must manually apply the gift card during payment. It does not always auto-deduct. If you skip selecting it, your order will go through without using the balance, making it look like the card is not working. If nothing works, the final step is contacting support with your card details and order attempt. In most cases, they can verify and fix the issue quickly. So here's the simple summary. Most online issues come from login errors, incorrect entry, browser glitches, region mismatch, or checkout mistakes. And once you fix these, your Best Buy gift card usually works instantly again. If this helped you solve your issue, like the video, drop a comment with your problem, and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides that actually save you time and frustration.